and welcome back to my channel. I think we have the same problem if you come to my channel. What is the most fastest PCX? Oh sorry, this is the answer. Most fastest motorbike under 125cc. The answer is PCX Hybrid or PCX EHEV model. I've ever drive more than 40 50 motorbike under 125cc, but PCX Hybrid is amazing acceleration. I've never experienced with the same feeling to accelerate until 60 km per hour.
と思います。おーすげえ
That's super amazing. I think a lot of people had same question. What is the difference between normal PCX and PCX hybrid? The most different things is the lithium-ion battery, and the PCX hybrid has a lithium-ion battery, and also it has assist motor. The normal PCX doesn't have lithium-ion battery and assist motor. And simply say, when I drive P6 hybrid and motor assist for 3 seconds after opening the throttle to accelerate, and during 3 seconds PCX hybrid accelerate like a super amazing. I've never experienced like accelerating by PCX hybrid. And also PCX hybrid has more torque, so that's why P6 hybrid is the most fastest. But I think most easiest way to check the most fastest bike or not, to check the video when I verified the acceleration by P6 hybrid. Please check it out now. Here we go. Honestly, when I drive this motorbike first, maybe if I close my eyes and drive this motorbike, I think I could say, or I might say, oh, this motorbike is 150 or 200cc, because this motorbike is absolutely different torque if I compare either 125cc to PCX hybrid or EHEV. But this motorbike has a super torque for me, but this motorbike has expensive price as well. The normal PCX is approximately 3,000 or 3,100 US dollars now, but P6 hybrid is 4,000 or 4,100 US dollars now. So that's why PCX hybrid is expensive, and this motorbike is not popular in Japan because PCX hybrid is more faster and has more torque than the normal PCX, but luggage box is the 2060 little or 22 little, it depends on the version, and because of small luggage box, normally Japanese people want to use the PCX as daily commuter motorbike. So that's why PCX hybrid is not popular in Japan. But if somebody focus on only accelerating, only torque, the PCX hybrid is, I think it's a very good choice to choose. But as I said, P6 hybrid is not popular in Japan. But I don't know the other country, maybe in the other country the PCX hybrid is more popular than the PCX normal version, even if this motorbike is more expensive than the normal version of PCX. But in conclusion, this motorbike is most fastest motorbike under 125cc. And if you want to keep watching about the more detailed information about PCX hybrid or PCX EHEV, please push the thumb up button. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon.